Hello everyone! Spring has come, weather became warmer. It's time to go to our summer house. Spring is an extremely busy time of the year for all the gardeners. They have to prepare everything for the summer season. Let's have a closer look what life in the countryside looks like. Very often, the territory of the summer house is separated from the neighbors by a fence. Sometimes it is also a green fence. Now we're going to enter the territory of the summer house. We'll do it through the gates and we'll see what is inside. Usually the territory of the summer house is divided into three main zones. Now we are entering the first one, which is the front entrance. As you can see, it has two lawns, one on the one side and another one on the other side. Two green lawns. And it has the house itself, so we can see the porch of the house. The second zone is the garden. Here we have a plot of land. As you can see, usually potatoes grow here. And of course, the main thing that we have in the garden is the greenhouse. The greenhouse, let's come closer and have a look what it looks like. So it has lots of windows and usually tomatoes are growing inside this greenhouse. And we have some beds of strawberry. Very yummy. Usually it appears in June. Next to the greenhouse we have a little house where we keep all the gardening tools. Let's come inside. So as you can see, there are lots of gardening tools inside. We have a ladder. We have a wheelbarrow. We can see only the wheel of a wheelbarrow. And this is the greenhouse. We'll talk about gardening tools more very soon. A very huge greenhouse. It's empty now, but soon our tomatoes will be growing here. And it's very hot inside. Welcome to the gardening tools exhibition. Let's have a look. What do we have in here? Here we have a hose to water plants and flowers. We have a lawn mower to cut the grass, an axe to chop the wood. Next to the axe there is a rake. We rake leaves using it. We have a garden fork and a hoe. We have a shovel, bucket, a watering can, and gloves, not to get dirty while working with the soil. So here is a mini and basic collection of every gardener. If you think we should add anything else in here, please write in the comments. And let's move on. The third zone is a chill out zone. Let's have a look what we have in there. We have a well, a real well. It's very deep. We will take our water from. So there is no bucket at the moment. We have our barbecue. The barbecue has a very funny tent. So when it's raining, you can be safe under this tent. There is a garden house. A little garden house. It's closed at the moment. We have to open it up so that we could spend some time inside, eating or just chilling. There is a bench and a table. We have a little picnic in here. And there is a lawn where you can sunbathe during summertime. There are 3 apple trees growing in here. And we have gooseberries, bush. Gooseberries will be in here during summertime. So this is our wonderful chill out zone. This is what the countryside life looks like. I hope you enjoyed my video and my short review of the 3 zones that every gardener has. And of course, we've learned with you many new words today, so hopefully it was useful. Visit your summer houses, enjoy wonderful weather, follow us on Facebook, and see you very soon.